Welcome to SMRS What If, where we take your nuttiest questions and science them into submission. Today's question is a real treat. What if Earth's molten core was swapped out for chocolate syrup? Grab a spoon, because this is about to get deliciously weird. Picture Earth's core in normally a seething 5,000 degrees Celsius ball of iron and nickel, replaced with a gooey, Hershey's-grade chocolate syrup. First up, the bad news. Our planet's magnetic field is toast. The magnetic field comes from the dynamo effect of molten metal churning in the outer core. Chocolate syrup. It's not conductive enough to generate that field. Say goodbye to our shield against solar radiation. Your Wi-Fi might still work, but cosmic rays would turn your beach day into a sci-fi horror show. Now let's talk tectonics. The core's heat drives plate movements, but chocolate syrup's a lousy heat conductor. It's got a viscosity about 1,000,000 times higher than molten iron, so it just sit there, sluggishly oozing. Plate tectonics would grind to a halt, meaning no earthquakes, no volcanoes, and no new mountains. Sounds peaceful until you realize the Earth's surface might freeze up without that geothermal heat. Speaking of heat, the core's 5,000 degrees Celsius would make short work of our syrup. Chocolate breaks down at around 200 degrees Celsius, so it'd vaporize into a steamy, sugary mess, maybe even boil away into space. Gravity? Barely affected, since the syrup's mass is similar to iron's. But don't get any ideas about drilling for the ultimate dessert. Even if you could reach 3,000 miles down, you just find a charred, carbonized goo. So a chocolate core sounds sweet, but it'd leave us magnetically defenseless, tectonically stagnant, and dessertless. Thanks for watching SMRS What If. Drop your wildest hypotheticals in the comments and subscribe for more science with a side of silliness. Now, who's up for a milkshake?